Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Anli.
Happy birthday, Tita Anli.
Happy birthday, Tita Anli. We love you.
We love you. Happy birthday, Nang. Happy birthday. Yan.
Happy birthday, Anli.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday,
Tita Andy.
Tita Anli.
Okay na.
Happy birthday, Ate Anli.
Happy birthday, Tita Anli. Happy birthday, Tita Anli. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Anli. Happy birthday, God bless you always. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Anli. Happy birthday, Ate Anli. Love you.
Hi Ate Anli, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Enjoy your birthday. See you soon sa Babanti. Bye bye.
Hi Ate Ali! Happy birthday po! More birthdays to come. God bless and stay strong po sa inyo ni Kuya Bok. Love you!
Hi Ate Anli. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Hi Ate Ganda, happy birthday. Wish ko sana maging masaya ka ngayong birthday mo, pati sa susunod na araw. Looking forward na makasama kita sa mga sayaw, sa mga tambay. Ingat ka po palagi. We love you, Ate.
Hi, Ate Anli.
Hi Ate! Happy birthday po! We miss you. God bless!
Happy birthday, Ate Anli. Enjoy your special day. Yun lang, ingat always. God bless. Peace out.
Happy birthday, Auntie Anli. Auntie Anli in the house, yo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy Dude. Always take care.
Oh, hi. Happy birthday, Ate Anli. Hope to dance with you soon. Good luck and God bless. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday Ate Ali! Pipe! I miss you. God bless. Love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi Ate Anli. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. At sana God bless.
Ate Anli, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Good bless always. Happy birthday na lang.
Sana lalo ko pa sumexy. Tapos, more blessing to come. Happy birthday.
Ate Anli, happy birthday po. God bless po and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday po, Ate Anli. God bless.
Hi Ate! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day and God bless po.
Happy birthday, Ate Anli. Miss na kita. Sayo na tayo minsan. God bless. Love you. Happy birthday, Anli.
Hi, Mami Anli. Happy birthday.
Ate Anli, happy birthday. God bless you. Happy birthday po, Ate Anli. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Hi Ate Ann, happy birthday. More blessings and birthdays to come. God bless. Always take care. Bye.
Hi, Mami Anli. Happy birthday. Ayun, kahit buli ka, labar kita. Love you, mama. Miss you.
Hi Ate Anli. Happy birthday po. Ingat ka po lagi and God bless po. Miss ka na po namin ni Ria.
Mami Dude, happy birthday. I wish you good health, God bless, and ayun, miss ka na namin dito sa Isabela, and sana bumalik na kami Saturday. And happy birthday, wish you all the best.
Hi ate, happy birthday. My wish is sana more blessings, more opportunities, and more happiness to come in your life. Keep dancing together with Kuya Bok para #relationship goals na ganun. And stay pretty, stay beautiful, and God bless. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Ate Anli! More birthdays to come! Happy birthday sa'yo, God bless! Ingat lagi! Mwah!
Happy birthday, Anli!
Hi Ate Andy, happy birthday. Hope you enjoyed your day and take care always and God bless.
Happy birthday Ate Andy, love you.
Hi Mommy Anli, happy birthday. I miss you and I love you. God bless. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Anli.
Happy birthday, Ate Ali. Ingat parate. Miss you. God bless.
Hi,
Anli. Happy birthday to you. Wishing you all the best. Stay healthy and pretty.
And more birthdays to come and more blessing. Take care always and God bless. Hope all the best for you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. We love you.
Hi, Ate Anli. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hi, Ate Emily. Happy birthday. I missed you. I hope you'll be glad in this video messages and I pray that you will always be blessed. And bye. Happy birthday. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Gatas. Nagulat ka, no? Ayan, happy birthday mula sa akin at saka kay Jelay. Pasensya na, walang wifi si Jelay. Good luck sa career. More blessings. Tsaka sana magpakasal na kayo ni Kuya Bo. Salamat sa pagkakaibigan at ingat lagi, okay?
Happy birthday, Ate Anli. Commander ni Kuya Bok. Yun, so, kahit di tayo close, happy birthday. So, yun. Wish you the best luck. Bye.
Sige na kasi yung. Happy birthday. Hello, Ate Ann. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Anli! Happy birthday, Anli! Say happy birthday, Anli! Happy birthday, Anli! Hi, I am Tiny. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! God bless!
Hi, Anli. Happy birthday! Whoop! 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 Ginagaya ko yung video nyo. Yup! Ha! 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 Happy birthday! Love na love na love na love na love ka talaga ni Bok. Mwah! 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 Happy 18th birthday! Oh, ayan na. 18 ka lang.
Happy birthday! Best, happy birthday so much and wish ko lang sana more blessings pa and stay healthy sa sarili natin. So, tatlo tayo ni Bok, ako, ikaw. So, sana healthy pa rin tayo kahit tumatanda na. Pero, and ano lang, sana saya ulit tayo para medyo flexible ulit yung body natin. Pero happy birthday and I love you so much, best.
Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Ate Anli. God bless.
Hi Ate Andy, happy 40th birthday, MBTC.
Happy birthday, Ate Andy! Wish you all the best. Palaki mo pa yung ilong mong pango. Happy birthday! Matanda ka na po, Ate Andy. Happy birthday!
Alam mo kung sino to. Happy birthday, Ali! DDPMT! Diet rin pag may time.
Hello Ate Ali. Happy birthday. Ang macho-macho talaga. Alam mo yan.
Wish mo.
Wish ko sana tumawas na ilong mo.
Okay na? Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Half price beef. Ano ba?
Happy birthday, Andy.
Happy birthday, Andy.
Ilang taong ka na?
Uy, may ganun.
Birthday, Andy. May have more birthdays to come, Mama.